Pros, this is Mike with another Dirty Promotions video. On this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a Cali roll. I already did a dirty sauce on the bottom. One of the things that I'm going to accomplish with the video is I'm going to show you how to clean a windshield. I already cleaned it, but actually using almost no water, minimal water for the installation. And that would entail, of course, cleaning with some of the glass cleaning rags that I have. So let's go ahead and get this shit started. Okay. All right, man. Almost had a fuck up right there on the get-go, huh? Okay. Put that guy in there. Put this guy in there. I already cleaned the inside and collected all the water with the cloth, of course. So my last pass is going to be with one of the glass cleaning rags, and you can see the results. I mean, I trust the rags very well, and I'm going to show you, not something that I'm going to say that the rags work well or not. I'm going to show you how they actually work. So we're done with this pretty much. All right. Okay. Either I'm right-handed or not, I don't know, but okay. This guy out of the way. That's my cleaner, actually, glass cleaner for preparation. All right. I haven't done too many Cali rolls on camera, but a big fucking bust the other day. It's still on video there on my YouTube channel. But a lot of the cars, a lot of the guys want to know, get it done and dirty from the beginning to the end. The only thing is that GoPro doesn't record for more than 9 minutes, so I only got a certain amount of time to show you this video. So there you go. Let's go ahead and put this guy here momentarily, right there, and get this guy cleaned up a little bit. So I can see what the hell I'm doing. That's one. There we go. I saw that Air 80 Lumar that I just heat shrank. It's a different formula. That's what I'm thinking, because it was different visually, and handling it, it was like, if there was a badass improvement to it, I won't know, but I think it is. Okay, so we got our tools, 1, 2, 3, we got them, yeah. Okay, so this rag is the one that I'm going to be using. It's clean. I already cleaned it, but my last pass is with this. Okay. And nothing else. I hope I finish in time. All right. There it is, buddy. Okay. Almost no water means almost no water, so just the water necessary for this thing to slide. I mean, I already got water in that Cali thing, right? So go ahead and do this real quick. And this thing is so light that I'm not gonna know if it's the film or the liner, huh? Okay. All right. I hope you can see, because man, I'm having a hard time trying to make the camera angle good for you. Okay, let's remove this damn liner. Pulling my film down. There you go. Always have enough slip in your thing so that you can move the film exactly where it needs to be at. Parezco pulpo, papi. Okay, there is a rope on the bottom. You're gonna need a rope for every single car, my man. That's what I would recommend. Okay, here in the bottom I made a special cut. There you go. Cut right there. There it is. Quedó mamalón. There it is. And there it is, my man. If it shuts off, it wasn't me. It's got no more minutes on this GoPro thing. I don't know why it only records 9 minutes. I wish I could do the whole thing so I could do it from the start. It'll be a badass experience. All right. Got my things here. Okay. I really wish you could see, man, how clean this is. It's just amazing. So right here on the sides, drag your stuff to the top here. There you go. And so like somebody said, push all this water to the rope. There it is. Push it to the rope instead of trying to squash it all out, which there's unknown stuff in there, right? And that's it, man. The other side, you're gonna do exactly like this side, so there's no need for you to follow me to the other side. All I gotta tell you is that I got my tool here. Gonna do this bottom real quick for you guys to see it real quick. Oh man, this camera is touching everywhere. Okay, all right, and then this guy right here, swipe like that, and we're good to go, man. I promise you that this side is super clean, and this side I promise you is going to be exactly the same. Guys, have a great day. GoPro, stop recording.